Look at the black man in his natural environment. Look at him. What the fuck?
What is it?
I don't know. All right, y'all. Day 2. SoCal Lexus meets Vegas cruise. There is no day 2 for me. This is me. There's a whole bed. Random. I don't know what's going on right now. I wake up to banging on the door. I got in at like 6:30 in the morning. I think the Vegas cruise for day 2 started at 8. Yeah, that wasn't happening. And I got strangers in my room. Yeah. And look, they're quiet, doing nothing, but just taking up my time and space. I'm wearing the same clothes as who's texting me?
It's Mr. Wilson. He said he's on the freeway.
Mindy invited my friends that live out here. Non-consensual to me. That makes sense. And my phones weren't charged. My cameras weren't charged. My lips probably look like busted hot links that are ashy because I've gone without. Hey, Mindy, let me see that bottle. You know what? No, forget it. So that's what I did last night. See that bottle? On me. Big dog status. Yeah, this is a random video for day 2. So I guess what's gonna happen is we're gonna go out and do some tourist Vegas. Vegas doesn't see me during the daytime. I sleep. And of course this one right here came in. And guess what she did, guys? That's right, you guessed it. She opens up all the blinds, you know what I mean? God's ray of sunshine and light beamed down on me. I'm laying down, you can see all, like my 3 necks, all right here. Yeah. I don't know what's going on, but like and subscribe. See? Do it again.
Guilty.
That is stupid bright.
Oh my
Hey, go
God.
show outside.
Look, Daniel, see this is itching me real bad.
Don't make it reflect on you again.
It's like, I know you don't want to because it's gross, but like if you were to touch the skin, you will feel that it feels like lizard.
That sounds weird.
Like it doesn't feel like regular on the front.
There's this bum right here.
Wait, oh dude, Daniel got asked out in this room.
What?
Where are your benches, sir?
Oh, they ain't giving no benches?
They give
I
you
gotta
no
see.
benches at the bottoms of your bed? Damn it.
Yo!
Man!
These cars are crazy.
Daniel, look
Yeah.
Look, Daniel.
Call me, guys.
Daniel,
Call
look
me.
I don't know what's happening.
The bottle came to that.
Oh shoot.
It's just random money, like...
Because we don't know what you did last night.
Right, I don't know, dude. Day 2, SoCal Lexus meets. And it sucks because, like, they're doing stuff and I'm not. I'm just living.
Literally, they're probably almost done. I think they were supposed to get to the Japanese steakhouse at like 1:15 or something.
Hey, you guys want to see something funny? Hey, Rosie, you still won't go to the window? Rosie's scared of heights, dude. She won't even go to the window.
What was?
Oh, dude. You ever seen a lay in bed fully clothed? Hello. What's crazy is I'm not even hungover. I don't get hungover. It's just a lack of sleep. Yeah, your boy looks terrible, but I'm still handsome. I'm handsome. You know what? Here's this.
Daniel, you know that you don't have to lie to yourself, right?
Can I talk?
Yes.
Can I talk? A lie, remember this. A lie is just the truth that doesn't make sense. Bars right there. What? Hey, Black Aristotle. I'm like a Black Aristotle, you know what I'm saying? Hey, dude, I need some chapstick, yo.
You look rough as hell.
Oh, I brought you this.
Right, you guessed it. I'm looking busted. I said.
You look rough as hell.
Oh, I brought you this.
Stupid, dude.
You want to sit if you want.
I was trying to make my own song. Hey, we need to start like a duo, dog. Me and you. You know what I mean? And the name of our group is called Two That Have No Sense. You know what I mean? Coming to a karaoke bar near you. You know when like you just want to lay down and people like bombard your room and then after that, oh yeah, by the way, your friends are coming over. What? I don't even know where my phone's at. Oh no, I called them. Thank you. Dude, this is bad. We did this whole trip just for me to miss the second day.
I love how you keep saying I'm out, and then just keep talking.
I like how you keep talking over me, talking to my people. All right, y'all.
You're the one to talk.
Short episode. Like and subscribe. You know what I mean? You ever follow me? Follow me on Instagram, Import Life Media, and you can see a big ass nothing, which is me, shining his ray of sunlight and sunshine on
Look
you.
at the bottle cap right there.